Fahad, what are some of the things that you've seen regarding this? I mean, we've clearly, everyone has a need for personnel on some level, and when the skills don't meet the actual requirements, what do you do?
You have a problem. I remember one thing I would never forget. When Omri and I started NZO, we started to do some market research, and we scheduled a meeting with a friend of mine who is a VP engineering in a big company managing about 100 engineers. And the meeting was for like 1 hour, and he just allocated more time to talk with us. It was like close to 2 hours. He had a big office, big shot. And then when he started asking more and more questions, he said, I don't know those answers. It's our head of DevOps, head of SRE. He can answer those questions. And then I would never forget that. We asked him, can you bring him to the room for like 5 minutes so we can ask him? He said, oh, no, he's busy. Don't interfere with his time. And I'm like looking that you're managing like 100 people, and eventually the bottleneck is your DevOps team. So there's definitely a clear problem here, that those skills are both needed and difficult to find the relevant people that can actually do this job. The need for automation constantly increases. Chef Puppet, and as you mentioned, Ansible was one generation of configuration management. Now we see similar and probably a bigger thing with infrastructure as code. And the problem is still very much existing out there, in my honest opinion.
And Kat, I think you can talk to how the landscape has changed over those years, right?